Look, I got the cake monster. Eat, paradox, paradox, paradox. The proton. The proton.
Because my brother wants to get a YouTube account too, but he doesn't have a YouTube.
Do they want a YouTube account? So we are reloading. We're gonna see what proton on the. I'm gonna go back home. Let's see the prototype. Prototype is here. Keep the sleep. I think the program is still on. We need to spend the prototype. What does this spend the monster? Come on. Spawn the monster. No, don't look at this. Don't look at this, okay? It says, I am not gay. I am not fucking gay. My friend is gay. My friend is gay. I'm going to take it for it. Talking then. Talking guard. Talking guard. Talking then. Talking guard. No, wait. I'm trying to do this. What's happening? Oh my god. Cool. Only happening. Bye bye. See ya. What's up with him? What's up with him? Let's spawn the bacteria. Backflow. How is he surviving? Backflip! Oh! Oh! Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Spider-Man show! Sorry. I'm going to show the Spider-Man. Is this Spider-Man? He died. Look at this, Norris! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my god. Sure! I'm gonna come out. Look at me come out. Look at me come out. And I think this is not to take a while. Is it okay? I'll take a while. Just a blink. I'm just gonna take a lot of it and talk. I need to focus. There we go. I'm gonna focus over here. There we go. And I'm done. So done. Okay. I'm gonna. Oh no, What? Oh, this video is no. There we go. I should have something cancel. But Merlin, what happened? He's stuck there forever. Somebody need help him. I cannot control here. Yeah, bye-bye. I'm going to go to the toxic. Using the toxic. What the freak? I need to do this. Green. Revive. What? What? Let me see this is safe. He died. He died. He really died. Let's play Roblox. Bye-bye. I'm going to see you.